Alright, print fam, happy Friday-ish. I've spent most of the morning mocking up a shirt that I was supposed to do yesterday, but I did get it done, and it is ready. Well, it's been sent to the customer, they like it, they're just working on getting sizes. I ended up re-signing up for a service called Place It. I had it months ago and was trying to save money and just trying to mock up the shirts. Customers just really like things to look pretty. So I signed up for Place It. I'll link it in the description. It's a really cool tool, but I just didn't want to have to spend the money on it. But it does help, and it sold this job instantly by having the mock-ups. So it is worth it. Right now, I'm trying to get some samples printed that, again, I should have printed last night. I've got a meeting in an hour, but it's about a 35-40 minute drive. So I need to get the samples printed so I can get off to that meeting. I'm printing on a bunch of different types of paper. I'm not doing any folding or finishing, and that's what's causing me stress with this job, is it needs finished work that I don't have, and all of the people that I talk to want way too much money to do finished work. Basically what they want is something similar to this, where it's a fold open brochure that's saddle stitched. But the one thing that I'm not sure how to produce, it has a machined crease in it. So it's got the crease from like the Morgana or whatever, and I don't know, did a machine print crease and saddle stitch this? Or did they saddle stitch it after they printed and creased it? Or what? So, gotta get that figured out, because I'm pretty sure that's what this customer wants. And it's stressing me a little bit. Definitely, I think the biggest stress I'm having associated with it is I have an outsourced supplier that could absolutely beautifully produce this, but the customer wants to see samples and they want to kind of pick the paper, and that's where my issue lies, is my outsourced supplier won't do samples because they do offset printing, and the people that do digital printing locally that I've been able to find and talk to, like, they want a ton of money to do stupid tasks. And it was like, that's why I bought the bomb paper folder, because I could do like 5 jobs and it would pay for itself. And while I want to get like a Morgana Digifold or something, I still don't understand or don't think that like I could then run this through the printer to get the saddle stitching, and I don't have a saddle stitcher. So if you have any suggestions, feedback, or videos that I can watch to get more knowledge, please let me know. Please comment. While we're at it, subscribe, like the video, all that fun stuff. We're going to continue on with the day. We're going to get these samples printed, go to the meeting, and I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, print fam, the samples are all prepped. I got them labeled up here, just handwritten, like 100-pound uncoated. I did a bunch of different samples on that to just show them that like large spotches of color don't look good. Like this blue looks all spotty because it's the uncoated, versus I did it on 130-pound silk and it looks beautiful. Did a 130-pound glossy, so hopefully he'll like these. Again, my biggest concern is the finishing side of it, so I'll keep you posted, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Gotta go get some long pants on since it's gonna be a fancy meeting, so need to look nice. Shorts won't cut it, so gonna go change, make a long drive, then we'll come back home, see what else we gotta do. We do have to do some cut final for Bob, and we'll see what else. Maybe some shirts. All right, meeting went well. He gave me a sample of the brochure they have now that he wants to match the white. That was probably the thing, besides the thickness between like 130 and 100 and the text weight, that was what he noticed the most, was, oh, like that page is more white than this page, even though his is less white than like I did. It was the Accent 100-pound uncoated. He's like, oh, that's way more white. And then he brought his in. He's like, oh, mine's really not that white either. And I said, yeah, you don't tend to notice as long as they're not right next to each other. So I'm gonna go to Kelly Paper, try to get some samples for him to look at. And then I had another customer that wants some sleeves for gift cards, thank you cards, not thank you cards, gift cards. So we're gonna go to Kelly Paper. Come join me. Let's go. So I'm working on some cut vinyl for Bob. So Bob, pay attention. If I send this to Flexi, I know there's a way you can merge it in Flexi, but I don't know how. But in Photoshop, you want to merge these, or Illustrator, not Photoshop. You want to merge these with the Pathfinder tool. So I have it just down here, or you can get to it from the window. But you just select the lettering, and then you click Unite, and it's gonna take out those extra lines, so that now when it cuts, it'll be perfect. I'm actually gonna remove that tiny spot too, since it's not very big. But yeah, just a quick little tip when doing vinyl. All right, print fam, Bob came and left. Sorry I didn't show him on the vlog.
There's that one guy in the comments who really misses Bob's body, and he's gonna be really upset that Bob came over and Darren didn't get a video.
He picked up his things to go deliver them, or his customers coming to his house or something. I don't know. He takes care of it. He did bring the shirts from the P.O. box, so we are gonna decorate those tonight. I'm gonna go in first and get back into my shorts because the long pants are horrible, and have some dinner, spend a little bit of time with the family, and then come back out and work some more. So we're likely going to be doing these shirts tonight. I'm also trying to, on my local Facebook pages, sell some 2020 shirts that I designed. Cam, you want to put a cool picture up right here? Lots of pictures lately. So hopefully we'll get some orders. We're going to place the order for that tonight from SS Activewear, so they'll hopefully be here Tuesday, so we can decorate them Tuesday and get them to the customer and anyone else that pre-orders them. So, on with the day. Print fam, change of plans. I'm not gonna work on the shirts tonight because I'm too tired. It's just been a long few days. So we are gonna call it a night. There will be a vlog tomorrow because I need to get these shirts done. I'm gonna go inside on my laptop, order some shirts from SS Activewear, along with some hats. So I have 49 items total, plus a couple more that I got from a Facebook group. So 3 from a Facebook group, 49 from one customer. That includes hats and shirts. So it'll be a good little order. I'm gonna prep all of the stuff so that I can, I'll start over. I'm gonna prep all the stuff on the white toner so that as soon as it gets here, I can just press it. I still haven't decided 100% if I'm gonna do white toner or just 2-layer the heat transfer, because it is just black and white. So I may end up, I don't think I have very much white, so I'll probably do white toner. It'll be faster and easier if I do it that way. The hats for sure, because they're multicolor. Something fell. Odd timing. So there will be a vlog, so make sure you're here tomorrow. Thanks, Cam, for editing the video. Really appreciate you. If you guys have any questions about what I do, why I do it, how I do it, etc., leave those questions down in the comments. If you want to support the channel, you can do so with the links down in the description. Patreon, Amazon affiliate. business cards, stickers. You can email me for custom orders, all that fun stuff. But as always, we just appreciate you being here. Thanks, Profane. I did not meet my goal. Not surprised. See you tomorrow. Special Saturday.
Huge shout out to our patrons over at patreon.com/TTMS.